In this video, we're diving into how to thoroughly clean your grill, ensuring it's ready for your next cookout. Keeping your grill clean not only enhances the taste of your food, but also prolongs the life of your grill. Let's walk through the essential steps to achieve a spotless grill. A grill laden with grease and food residue can compromise the flavor of your meals and pose health risks. Accumulated debris can harbor bacteria and increase the risk of dangerous flare-ups. Regular cleaning is crucial for both the quality of your food and the longevity of your grill. Start by assembling all the necessary cleaning tools and materials. You'll need a grill brush or coarse cleaning brush, dish soap, baking soda, vinegar, a putty knife or scraper, steel wool pads, a garden hose or several buckets of water, and protective gloves and eyewear. Ensure the grill is cool and safe to touch. For gas grills, disconnect the propane tank to ensure safety. Remove all removable parts such as grates, burners, and other components to clean them individually. Remove grease and food buildup from the grates using your grill brush or steel wool. If they're particularly dirty, soak them in a solution of warm water and dish soap before scrubbing to help loosen the grime. Attend to the burners by ensuring there are no blockages in the burner ports, using a small wire or toothpick. Clean flavorizer bars, heat tents, and other components with a solution of vinegar to cut through the grease. Use your putty knife or scraper to remove accumulated gunk inside the cookbox and under the lid. Pay close attention to crevices where grease and particles accumulate. Afterwards, wash these areas with a soapy water solution and rinse well. The exterior usually requires a simple wipe down with soapy water. For stainless steel grills, consider using a specialized cleaner to maintain the finish and avoid streaking. After everything is clean and dry, reassemble the grill. Reconnect any gas lines if applicable, and perform a safety check to ensure all connections are secure and leak-free. Before your next grilling session, oil the grates to help prevent food from sticking and to guard against rust. Use an oil with a high smoke point, like canola or vegetable oil, applying it lightly with a towel or brush. Regularly cleaning your grill is essential for optimal performance and food safety. With these straightforward steps, your grill will be in prime condition for your next barbecue. Remember to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling!